Hi, welcome back to ViaVia's kitchen with me, Lala. Today, I would like to make Arem-Arem, or we usually call it a light snack, but it's made from rice. And why it is called snack? Because I will make the snack in a small size, and we usually roll it up with banana leaves. And now we move to the ingredients. And for the first part, I will make into part. The first part is the filling, and then the second part is to make the rice cake. And the first is I would like to show you the ingredients for the filling. Of course, here I'm using chicken, ground chicken, 250 grams of ground chicken, and then 100 grams of carrot I cut into small cubes. And then here I have 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here I'm using soya oil. And then here I'm using 5 shallot, and then 3 garlic. And here I'm using chili. If you don't like spicy, just skip the chili. You can replace with later on. I'm using also white pepper. You can use black pepper or white pepper. If you want to use bell pepper, it will be great also. And then fresh turmeric here. If you don't have fresh turmeric, of course you can replace with turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then I have 2 bay leaf, and then 2 lime leaf, and then also here spring onion I will cut into slice. And then for the second part, for making the rice cake, I have 250 grams of rice I have already cleansed, and then 700 milli of coconut milk. And for the aromatic, I'm using bay leaf, and then lemongrass, and then galangal. Yeah, if you don't have galangal, just skip it. Okay, you can use only bay leaf. And then I will put later on I will put salt. Okay, I will put here, and the coconut milk here. Okay, to make the rice cake, I will turn on and cook the coconut milk and the rice, and then turn on the fire. Okay. Medium to low heat. And then I will put in the rice. And then I will add half teaspoon of salt. Stir it up, and then we just leave it for a while, and then we can go to the filling. To make the filling, I will crush the ingredients like shallot, garlic, and the chili, and also the turmeric. I will cut them into slice. And for your information, if you are vegetarian, you can replace the chicken with another ingredients like tofu, fern tofu, and mushroom, potato, bean, and anything that you have in your fridge. Fresh ingredients, of course, according what your preference. And then chili. I'm not using all of the chili. I will only use maybe 4. And again, if you don't like spicy, you can skip it. You can replace with bell pepper or not at all. Not spicy at all, it's okay. Then fresh turmeric, I replace here. And then crush them all. And then later on also I will use spring onion. Okay, I will leave aside. And then I will crush the ingredients. I will put a little bit of salt here to make it simple, to make it easier. If you don't have mortar like this, you can use like food processor or your blender. And then crush until fine. Meanwhile, you make the ingredients. You can stirring up the rice to avoid the burning. Instead of chicken, you can also use ground beef, minced beef, or pork if you like to. But usually in Indonesia, we are using chicken or minced beef. Okay, now as you can see that the paste is ready. And then I will saute the paste with 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Turn on medium heat of fire. And then cooking oil, 3 tablespoons. Wait until it's a little bit warm. And then put in the paste. And then bay leaf and lime leaf. Cook until the fragrance smells good. Here also I'm adding about 100 ml of water. Just cleanse and rinse the mortar. Put in the chicken. Stir well. Saute the chicken for about 1 minute or until your chicken turns into white. And then the carrots in. Stir it up. And then I will put in the water. And wait for 2 minutes until the chicken is well cooked and also the carrot is a little bit soft. Okay, if the carrot is already soft and the chicken is almost well done, and then I will add the ingredients. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then half teaspoon of white pepper. I will put here all together, and then also spring onion. And also, as you can see here, the coconut milk is already absorbed by the rice. So now you can turn off the fire for the rice and wait until it's a little bit cold, and then we will roll up in the banana leaf. Don't forget to tasting the filling, because the snack is light and savory, so make sure that it's already sweet enough and savory enough for the taste. Okay, I will wait until the water is absorbed, and then I will turn off the fire. It means that the filling is ready. So I have already turned off the fire for the chicken and the rice cake, and also here I am preparing the banana leaf. If you don't have banana leaf, you can replace with aluminum foil. So here I will show you the texture of the rice. It's a little bit soft, and then the coconut milk will absorb in the rice. You can cover it with the lid or just like this, and this is for the filling. Okay, and then I will leave this behind for about 10 minutes until it's cold, and then I'll be back to show you how to roll out with banana leaf. And then also I prepare the steamer to steam it later. Okay, after we finish to cook the rice and also the filling, now we'll move to the next step, that is rolling the rice and also filling it. I will show you how to fill. I put the rice in here, put the rice, and the filling, and then again put the rice on top of the filling, and then roll it and tighten like make sushi, and then roll in front, then I will make like the line here like this, and then press one side and fold the other side. Make the line, press the other side, and here like this. There you go. Okay, and later on we will cut the end of the banana leaf, but it's okay. We will steam it and then finish until the batter and the rice cake is finished, and then you can steam the arem-arem for about 20 minutes, and then arem-arem will ready, and I will show you the result. Okay. Okay, after 20 minutes steamed, the arem-arem is ready to serve, and I will show you what's the inside. It's look like this. It's still hot. And then I will cut one to show you the inside. Look like this, and this is it. The Arem-Arem is ready. You can try this at home, and with the simple recipe you can replace with any kind of ingredients and vegetables if you are a vegetarian, and you can eat this anytime before meals. Like you can serve this as a munchies, and I hope you try this recipe. And if you have some question, if you have any question, you can drop in our comment below. We will respond it. And thank you for watching this video, and happy cooking everyone.